Okay, let's go. Okay, I don't have much time to talk. I just wanted to give you a very quick update. I hope you're hearing me because I'm not using my microphone. I just had to stop at 7-Eleven. I could get the motorcycle. I had so much trouble doing that. Okay, I'm joking. Not so much trouble, but anyhow, not a big deal. But I could finally. They agreed that I put my passport because they just want passport for deposit, and it's a common thing in Laos. So it's not the case in Thailand at all. And so they basically agreed that I put my um, passport to the hostel guy, which I already know I like him and I trust him. So he was the guarantor, and that was okay, good. So I got it, and it's late. I wanted to be there earlier. Now it's just 20 minutes to 9. I wanted to be there before 8, but the agency opened at 8, and so I'm just heading there. I bought some stuff from 7-Eleven, some chips and sneakers, coffee to go, and water. And let's go to a waterfall. Whoa. I'm sure it will rain. So I need to go 24 kilometers this way, and it's just amazing. I'm stopping every 2 minutes. It's so beautiful. I'm so grateful. Okay, this is what I'm dealing with. It's whole grain, a little drops of rain, which makes it super amazing, and my motorcycle. And me, super grateful. I cannot even begin. It's amazing. I have 19 more kilometers to go. And I don't have any rush. I'm already wet. It's just a steepy road here, and I don't want to risk it. I'm not sure if it can handle the thing. I don't know this motorcycle, that's the thing. If it was my own motorcycle, fine in the rain. Do not, like, it's just amazing. But this, I don't know. I don't want to risk it. But I don't know how long I can stay here. Just a little bit update. It rained so hard. Now it's getting better. And everything is wet. Like, I am completely wet. But I could manage all the steeps. This is a good girl. She is a good girl. She took me everywhere. So, but just for a second, excuse me. I don't understand this beauty. Like, basically, I don't understand. I have like 9 more kilometers to go. Okay, and here I parked my motorcycle and I'm soaked in water. And I can hear some water. Hopefully it's a good one. Oh, these take us to the waterfalls. can swim here, only in this park. Yay! I'm gonna jump. I've been so lucky lately. This was the spot that I was just by myself, like 15 minutes ago, and now look at it. Okay, now there are too much people. I'm just continuing this path to see what has here. And then maybe on my way back, I do more swimmings before going. Seems like I am entering the bear zone. I can see the bears, they're asleep. So I think this was this. Look here, it's in the red spots, and there's some of them in South Iran as well. Mostly in East Asia, Southeast Asia.
Nè, tham gia, con qua lại.
Oh my god, so chubby. Okay, let's see if I can find something to eat. Hopefully not a crazy price since it's in the middle of nowhere. Let's see. Okay, I'm going in for the second round. I'm going back. It's around 3:30. So close to 4, more than 3:30. I was streaming all the time. Hello, I'm going down. I'm leaving here. It was such an amazing day. I just streamed. It is a very touristy place. It is very crowded, but I didn't mind the crowd at all because I feel like I was just constantly inside the water, and a lot of this crowd, they didn't come to water at all, especially like Chinese tourists. They come in like big groups, and a lot of them are like old people or middle-aged. So I don't know, like I don't know, for some reason, but not much people were streaming, so I was okay. I was good, and like the whole crowd didn't bother me. Such a beautiful waterfall. It's just magical. It was magical. Okay, now I'm just going down. I want to take my time because the road was so beautiful. I want to just go slowly, go back slowly, and that's why I'm going around like 4. However, I still have a lot of time, but I just want to slowly go to Luang Prabang with the motorcycle, make some stuff, blah 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 blah. I'm having a great day. I did not yet start my journey, the road, and it is started. Like, what? I don't know, I'm kind of speechless. This is like crazy beauty. So yesterday we were up there. I come to a Japanese restaurant, and thanks to this I discovered this beautiful part of the city. The river is here. I think the river in my side is more beautiful, but this is completely like so much French style. It is very beautiful, and because of the rain as well, it makes everything more beautiful. I took myself to a Japanese restaurant in front of the river. Took myself on a date. Of course, date with Hushang. I'm on a date with Mr. Hushang in beautiful view at a Japanese restaurant. I'm at the hostel. I'm back. I had a little bit of problem with my roommates, and so I today I asked the guy who's the host here, super nice guy, that can I please like change my bed, change my room, because one of the guys in my room, he doesn't shower, and unfortunately he looks like homeless people, seriously, and it's very sad, it's upsetting me, but he he literally stinks, and he snores. Like last night I couldn't sleep at all, and then anyhow he agreed, and he said yes, sure, when you come back today. Then I came back today, and he actually unlocks the whole room for me, so nobody is yet in this room, and he said you can stay there. I was like, what the fuck, thank you. And we have this AC as well. But he said three people will check in, but I don't know when, maybe tomorrow. So he's letting me to sleep here tonight, which is very nice because they have to turn on the AC and blah blah, do the whole thing. And I think tonight I have the whole room for myself, which is great. Uh, I want to take a shower and actually go to bed. I'm very tired. It was a great day. I had so much fun, and yeah, success. See you in the next one.